2025 has seen many case brands have redesigned their entire portfolio. Corsair is not an exception. They come up with a brand new 4000D frame series. Now let me quickly take you through what this case is all about. So this is a mid-tower case. What is most interesting is this front panel. Corsair says it can be swapped. So they have different designs that can replace this default panel that comes with the in the case. The motherboard tray, as you can see, supports the back to front motherboards. And one more interesting thing is they have come up with this brand new anti-sag bracket. GPUs up to 470 mm, guys. CPU cooler height of 170 mm, and this can take radiators up to 360 mm in the top. So what Corsair has incorporated is this infini-rail system. The side panel, if I take, you can see how beautiful it is, for cable management. Quick review. It's a solid airflow oriented design. I love this infini-rail system. Let me do a build with this case and leave a comment. What do you think of this case? How beautiful it looks. Thank you so much.